Hello, boys and girls. My name is Sheldon the sheep. And in today's video, we are going to be learning about the sounds that barnyard animals make. There are going to be two different sounds. One is going to be the correct sound we make, and one is not. And you will have to guess which one is correct. After you have guessed, then you will be able to watch a short video showing you some of the animals that you see. Things like sheep, cows, goats, and more. So stay tuned and watch and help guess what sounds we barnyard animals make. Well, hello, boys and girls. I'm the first barnyard animal that you're gonna guess what sound I make. Do you know what I am? That's right. I am a piggy. So you have to tell me, do I make sound number 1 or do I make sound number 2? Here's number 1. Or is it number 2? Oink, 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 oink. You tell me, is it number 1 or number 2? Boy, you're so smart. It was number 2. I go oink, 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 oink. That's it. Now, do you want to see a cute little video of a piggy? All right, well, stay tuned, because here it comes. Hello, I'm a billy goat, and billy goats go like this. Oh, chee-chee, bo, chee-chee, bo, chee-chee, right? Or do billy goats go meh? Tell me, do I go chee-chee, chee-po, po, chee-chee, or do I go meh? That's right, number 2. I go meh. Good job. Hello, do you know what I am? That's right, I'm a horse. Harry the horse is my name, and you're gonna guess what sound I make. Do I make this sound? Or do I make this sound? Okay, you tell me, do I make this sound? Or do I make this sound? If you can guess the right one, let me know right now in the comments. And also, watch this great video with other horses just like me. Hello, boys and girls. Remember me from earlier in the video? That's right, it's me again, Sheldon the sheep. So now you will have to guess what sound I make. Ready? Do I go meh, meh, or do I go booty? Again, do I make this sound? Meh, meh, or do I go booty? You tell me which one, the first one or the second one. Very good. It was the first one. Now, here's a video that you can watch of some sheep and other barnyard animals. Have fun. Bye-bye. Well, hello, boys and girls. You know what I am, I'm sure. You see me all over farms, all over barns, and sometimes, even when you're driving up and down the road, you'll see me and all my friends grazing in a field. So now, you have to guess what sound I'll make. My sound's pretty easy, I think everybody knows it, but you gotta tell me, is it number 1 or number 2? Number 1 is moo, moo. Number 2 is So do I make sound number 1 or sound number 2? Here it is again, sound number 1. Moo. Or is it sound number 2? What sound is it? Boy, you are surely smart. It is number 1. Thanks so much for guessing, and here's a cute video of a cow and some other barnyard animals. Bye-bye.
Here's a cow just looking at you, staring at you, trying to sniff you and smell you. Here's another barnyard animal. You know what that is? That's a chicken. That's right. And here is a beautiful cow pasture. We sure hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button too. We'll see you on the next video. Have fun and take care. Bye-bye.